welcome back to the channel on what is an absolute pristine, spectacular, fantastic, whatever you want to call it, day today. Can't believe it, man. It's glassed out, there's not a cloud in the sky. I've got old mate just there that's giving me the shits, but other than that, I've got the beach to myself, man. It's going to be an epic day. Got a bit of a plan in mind too. So today, normally I fish with lures, but today I've got some Lockie bait. The plan is to flick it out, get hold of a little whiting, and then use that for some live bait. And I don't know if you can see behind me there, but there are some buoys just off, maybe off the, no, you can see it there. There's a buoy just there, and there's one across just behind me over there as well. So the little bit of structure, I guess you can say, but what I'm interested in mostly is the fact that there's a nice little channel right in front of where the water's breaking there, right behind it, I should say. So I'm hoping some bigger stuff are sitting in there, pushing the whitebait up and having a bit of munch on them. So I checked my fishing app today, and I was supposed to come on the chew around about 11:45. So you can see now I've got about 15 minutes to get my shit into gear and get some line out there. Hopefully, well, get a whiting first, which is going to be pretty easy to get hold of, but then flick it out a little bit deeper and hopefully get something good. So let's check it out. Jeez, this is like opening up a Christmas present. Look how well I wrapped the bloody stuff. Alright, she's pretty frozen still. Let's get some water in there. Oh, it's bloody cold. Alright, I was just defrosting that bait and I just saw some fish on the surface. So I'm just going to see if we get any luck. I don't know what it was. Might just go a little bit further out that time. Get it right near that buoy there. Wrong way, but still. Oh, yeah. Whee! That was very unexpected. It's not big. Whoa! I hope my bloody ham wasn't in the way then. Hey! Jumping salmon. Oh, he's bleeding too. Where is he? Oh, he's got a blood trail behind him. He's not well. Oh, he's bleeding really bad. Is he done yet? No, he's not. Let's bring him up. How's that for the second cast? Woohoo! I'll give you a look at him in a minute. Come here. Stay there. Straight out. Go and give him a clean off. So there you go. That's a good old Australian. Ooh, nice catch. Good old Australian salmon right there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep this guy because I wanted to catch one a little while ago and wasn't able to get hold of one. So they're slippery. Alright, so what I was saying is I'm going to keep this one. I'll bleed him straight up and we'll get back out there. Hopefully we'll catch something else. Oh yeah, they're still busting up alright, right in front there. Well, it's going to be a good session today. Now you watch this. Slow down a little bit. Yeah. that one. Just there. Just over there now. You probably can't see him on the GoPro, but let's try and get him. Yep. Oh, the wrap, yes! Woohoo! Oh, this is going to be fun today. Oh, another jumping fish. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm going to love it. Good old Australian salmon, eh? I'll give it, oh, yeah, another jump. They're not fighting very hard, these ones, but still, some good fun. Oh, he's only a little guy. Oh, this guy fair on swallowed it. Let's see how we go getting that out of there. Come here, mate. Yeah, no, man. That'll hurt me too. You let go of it and I'll let you go. Yep, one more there. Oh, there you go. Alright, let's get back out there. I can't see him anymore now though, that's the only problem. But they were heading south, so I'm just going to do a big cast down that way and we'll see if we can land anything. Now they weren't coming in after that lure very quick, so I've got to slow my retrieve down, I think. Got quite a slow and lazy bit of a fish, these guys, today. Yeah, I don't know where they went. Yeah. Alright, I might have to go back to my original plan. Chuck some ocky out there for a little whiting. We'll see how we go. Righto, so like I was saying before, I was pretty sure those salmon were going to nick off. But did manage to get two, which is pretty good. So I've just rigged up a really simple little whiting rig. Can't remember what size of hooks these are. I'm really bad at remembering hooks, but basically you got, can you see that? Two of those little guys back to back on a long little trace down to about a 1.6 gram sinker, and that's it. Just tie it onto my end of my swivel on my main line, chuck it out. Bound to get a couple of whiting. Use them for, like I said, for my live bait. Flick it out as far as I can to let it sit out there, and we'll just see what happens to grab hold of it, and I'll just keep flicking out my lures in the meantime. Righto. Let's see how we go on the real light gear. Hopefully there's some whiting around. Straight away, little nibbles. Go back some more. No, nothing going on now. We've got something. It's not big. Let's see what we got. Yeah. I probably can't. Oh, I even foul hooked him. Didn't even get him in the mouth. Yeah, well, I can't use this guy, can I? The good old blowy. Hey? Oh, you little shit. Well, if they're around, then don't know how we're going to go. But anyway, there you go, mate. Back in you go. Oh, that was funny. Oh well, that didn't work. No whiting for bait, unfortunately. But still an awesome day, having a great time. Kind of sucks though, because you catch those two fish straight up, and then you get nothing else for it. Afternoon, whatever time it is. Right, to make things easy, I'm just going to clean up the fish here on the beach, and I'll get rid of the carcass and just bring the two fillets home. So I've already dispatched of him, obviously. So I'm just going to put him on the measure. I just want to see actually how big he is. So if we go from tail to head, oh, geez, pretty big. Let's go underneath him a little bit. How big is he? From tail, I'm going to call that 490. So what we're going to do first is get all these scales off. The rest of that. Stick him there. Flip it over, other side. Let me get that a bit of a wash off. Be right back. Righto. So there she is. One nicely skinned. Righto. So there it is. One nicely scaled salmon. So now it's going to get my old filthy knife out. And we shall fill it. Put a nick in the tail. Go down the spine. Whoops. Sharpen my body now. So that's one nice big fillet. you go. Fillet number... Almost dropped you in the sand. But there you go. Nice big fat fillet number 2. Can't feel any bones in there. Hopefully I got them all. Well, didn't get any of them, I should say. But beautiful. And that's what you want to see. You just want to see a carcass with no meat left on it. Awesome. Okay, so I'm going to pack up now, head home, and we'll cook it up at home. So I will catch you there. Home sweet home. Puppies! Come on! Hello, Molly! Hello. Daddy's been fishing. Oh. Yeah, I know, T. You wouldn't believe it, would you? I've been fishing. I caught a fish! I caught a fish! So, oh God, they're huge, aren't they? Far out. It's a good sized fish. So what I'm going to do first is just give them another wash with a good bit of sand and shit on them. So clean them up first. Just do that in the sink. Now I left the skin on because Kay's going to want to cook hers au natural, and I'm going to probably end up crumbing one, but I'll leave the skin on anyway. Righto, so it's been about 3 hours since I caught the fish. Kay wants to keep her fillet or au natural, which is cool, no problem with that, but I'm going to skin mine and I'm going to cover it with some batter and then fry it up. So what I'm going to do first of all is keep the biggest fillet because I caught the fish. This one is mine. Skin that one, cover it in some flour, and then roll it around with some eggs, do a bit of egg there, and then dip it in the old panko crumbs, nice and crispy. And like I said, shallow fry, I've got that heating up now, shallow fry that in the electric frying pan, and then we're going to eat it. It's going to be delicious. Let's go. Righto, so good old filleting knife. It's nice and sharp. Haven't filleted a fish for a very long time, so this might go pear-shaped. See how it turns out. So beautiful white flesh. There's a couple of bones up here that I'll pull out, but that's fine. So, first of all, need to get a little bit of a tag on. So, basically what you need to do is go down to the skin. Nice flat knife, grab hold of the skin, and just go all the way. I think I'm stuffing this up. All the way through. I'm making a meal of it. All the way right to the end. There we go. I can't do a second take, but that's not how you fillet a fish. We'll just do it this way. Boss just came home. I'm not filleting very well here.
Is this my piece?
It can be your piece, yeah.
Could have just left the skin on and I could have had crispy skin.
I know, that's what you want. It's not your piece, it's my piece.
Oh, that's it.
I know. Thank you. Alright, I'm going to leave that little bit of skin on there, bugger that. It's too hard to get it off. Alright, that's not how you fillet a fish, that was shit. But anyway, let's see how it goes. Alright, so I'll just trim it up to some nice bite-sized pieces. Just like that. I'm going to go down the guts as well. So you've got quite a few nice bite-sized pieces there. I'm going to get rid of all this bloodline. No one will eat that, really, do they? I know my dogs will. They'll enjoy that. Righto, so basically roll it around, cover it in flour, chuck it in the egg. Roll it around, cover it in flour, chuck it in the egg. Just like that. Shake off the excess, give them the crumbs. And cover them with this delicious panko crumbs without making that mess like I just did. And put it aside. So we'll do that for all of them, and then you'll come back and I will start frying them up. Alright, so there you go. Decent feed there. Panko crumbed Australian salmon. Delish. Okay, so I've only got a very shallow little bit of oil in there, but the way that I check to make sure the temperature is just stick the wooden spoon in there. You can see it's bubbling at the bottom. That tells me that she's good to go. So we'll put in a nice big chubby piece. Yeah, that's good to go. So you've got some nice sizzle going on there. Yeah. Alright, so they've been going for about 2 minutes, I suppose. So now I'm just going to turn them over. Oh, look at that. Nice and crispy. I love this panko stuff. Maybe just a little bit like that first. So they're going to be raring to go. Looking good though. Smells pretty good too. We've got some pretty chubby pieces there, so we're going to have to let that go a little bit longer. We'll see how it goes. See how we get the time. Okay, so I've got some bigger pieces here. I'm just going to put them on their side just to make sure that they are cooked all the way through. These little guys obviously are. So pull those off. And we'll just let these bigger ones go a little bit longer, just to make sure. Okay, so that's been well and truly long enough. I would say probably 5 minutes, not much more than that. So we'll take everything off, give them a chance to drain, and then tuck in. But look at that. You can't argue with that. That's going to be some delicious salmon. Man, if there was smell-o-vision, I reckon you'd be pretty impressed. I'm salivating. So nice and crispy. It's cooled down a little bit now. So the last thing to do is eat it. Let's give it a go. Oh, that's like fried food. Oh yeah. It's a bit hot still, but that is so tender and crispy. Oh. Oh, that's really good. Sorry. Okay. So that's it for another video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, please subscribe. I'm going to tuck into it, and I'll catch you on the next video. See ya.